proyekto doon, yung ating Davao Modern Bus System. No? This is a bus system po that is very similar to what we see in bus systems in modern countries where there are schedules. The buses are modern buses. Many of them, if not all of them, are electric buses. And then po talagang maayos po ang sistema, no? Hindi po yung hihinto na lang kung saan-saan. Ito po talaga may proper bus stop, may proper terminals. Ito po ay pinondohan ng Asian Development Bank. At ito po ay inabutan natin. Inaamin po natin ng maraming delay. Pero po ngayon po nagkakaroon na po tayo ng momentum at nagkakaroon na po tayo ng malaking movement po sa ating Davao Bus Modernization Program. And this will really be a major achievement and a model for the entire country.